Here we are in Falmouth. The fog's come in. It fucking could be anywhere now. Pete's going to the toilet. So, what a fucking nightmare. This is what we've got to deal with. Imagine getting on a ferry with that. They just take, well, it'd be fucking condemned. There's a crack here, goes right the way across. Spin it here. Not too bad, it's only on the very top. It's just always fucking one thing after another. This is the anchor set up. It's basically that, this rope, lob it over, and then the rope runs up to the front. So it's a token gesture, but that's basically a fishing hook on a boat like this. And we got more fucking crap here. Right, this is all that's been disconnected. There's no power, and then we've just wired into that. Just one light up on the top here at the front to this battery down here. That's our front light. It's got to last all night. It's fucking. Hey? You what? Yeah. Oh fuck yeah. We haven't got a foghorn. Bollocks. Shit, we wouldn't want to be out in this without a foghorn. What a nightmare. Didn't think of that. Fuck, never thought of that, Pete. Hey? We need a little foghorn. Fuck. Alright, speak to you later.